Plus yung lemon. So, we will not include it in the
Rinse ko lang.
compost. This is her user. Look how it works. It's healthy, no? Pwedeng patty. Nga la, i-bake. Huwag iprito. Kaya nga eh, oh.
Nagaganito ka na.
Yeah.
Sorry pa rin siya. Kasi na masyadong busy ate ang pag-box.
What juicer is this?
Nama.
Nama?
It's around $500.
Wow. Around $500. Pero it's good.
But it's worth the
Yeah, it's worth naman.
You know how I look at it?
Yeah.
Instead of me paying for my insurance, sabi ko, bayaran ko to. Hindi ako
Yeah.
insurance. Wala naman akong, wala naman akong tiwala sa medical system. Pero may co-signal ng Panginoon yan.
Yeah.
Pinag-pray ko yung Lord, mag-insurance ba ako? Pag sinabi ko, hindi, okay lang. Huwag, kasi hindi na ako mag-insurance.
Oh, ano naman yan?
Mamaya ate ko. Ito yung dandelion and chard.
Oh.
Ito naman yung mamaya. Para naman once naman makatikim ka naman ng
Oo.
talagang juicing. Kasi when you get this sa mga store ate,
I-text mo nga sa akin yan kung anong dahon yan.
ibabad ko lang ito mga sa akin. And then, just see. Sabi ko na lang ate, buti na lang dito ako nagka-trigeminal neuralgia sa Amerika, sa Philippines.
Sa Philippines din napaka.
Naawa ako sa mga taga doon.
Yeah, praise the Lord.
Lahat ng healing protocol dito, ang ganda eh.
This is really a healing juice.
Oh yeah.
You will really
It
get
will
healed from
transform
that.
you, ate.
Yes, praise the Lord.
You know, the first few months na ginawa ko yan ate, okay? So, I used to work dito sa hospital sa may, sa Irvine, dun sa Southern California. Nag-work ako dun for 5 years ate. Okay?
Oh.
So, 5 years kong kasama yung mga nurses dun. After few months, nag-juicing ako tsaka nagko-coffee enema. Na-meet ko, nakasalubong ko yung isa sa mga kasama kong nurses dun sa hospital. Binati ko siya. Sabi ko, hey! Gumanon ako. Tapos sabi niya, gumanon siya. Sabi niya, you look familiar. Come on, you didn't recognize me? It's Miriam. Huh? Oh, you look different.
You look really so glowy and beautiful.
I said, huh?
Wow, you see
So that's
what juicing can do?
If it's just me, I don't really notice it. But other people would say, you look different now. Why do you look younger?
Yes, younger,
So
beautiful.
I didn't know that. That's how short it was. Only in 3 months, and then you will change. Okay, ate. I will just rinse this.
You'll tell people to guess your age. They will be amazed. Praise the Lord. Now is our finished product, the juice.
I'm just thankful that I don't have to take medications.
Yes,
People my age
that's how it works.
have blood pressure medication, arthritis medication. I don't even take Tylenol. I don't need
That's
it.
good.
Food is my
Let your food be your medicine. Especially the juice. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.